tasted the olive. She has to do it one more time for the cameras. Remember?
Show how pretty.
Oh yeah, look at all this.
Getting close on it. Beautiful.
But they don't taste that good when you eat them raw. So Leanne's gonna do another one.
Tastes like earwax. It's pretty bad.
We're walking around here. We're walking.
Like juicy earwax. But they're amazing to see.
It's an olive tree here we're here in Malta. And we're walking through Jonathan's house.
Maybe those two on your right.
There's a lot of manure
Everywhere.
everywhere.
It smells like fresh animal poop.
Yeah, everywhere smells like fresh animal poop. There's like so we're just having to walk next to a freeway. And it's about, I guess we have about a 3-hour walk to get to. What, about 3-hour walk to get to his house? And
I tasted another one.
you taste another.
See, it was darker.
Let me see. Taste another olive. Taste it. Do it one more time. Do it one more time, Leanne.
These are bigger olives.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here, Leanne.
Look at that dark one.
What, that one right there?
Dark one.
Right here, you hold that. You can film it. Now this is an olive that Leanne's gonna love. Okay.
Pretty roses.
Oh wow, look at the rose. Okay, now Leanne, eat that olive.
Kind of scared.
Do it, Leanne. That one's gonna be a really good one. I think you're gonna love it. Just take a bigger bite though.
It's not as terrible, but it still tastes like earwax.
Great.
Like earwax mixed with acid. It's not poison.
Oh my gosh. That was.
It's like burning as it goes down. Profile poison. So.
I think that those are poisonous olives I read about. Those. You start having the
I
shake.
thought I was the biggest fan of olives in the world. Really did.
Okay, we're gonna keep walking. Walking for 3 hours. And people here drive like really crazy. Really crazy.